Hi everybody, today is Sunday. We just got out of church. We're getting gas. We're going to Sam's Club to get fireworks and some other things, and we're going to get groceries at Walmart. Charlie is 3.5 and he still takes his shoes off and his socks off in the car. When will you learn, boy? Never. Never, yeah. Come on out, Evan. Come on, guys. I think this is good. We're gonna get these. These are the fireworks we're gonna get this year. That looks like fun. Fireworks, bananas, alcohol wipes, fruit. These are the best makeup wipes ever.
We're gonna get less than Charlie.
You gotta share or he doesn't get any. We have 2 cards, so we only get 2 samples. Alright, we're at Walmart and we are getting, Andy, what kind? These are called like baker potatoes? Bakers? Yeah, we're getting these to make homemade French fries.
I need to see how much they're.
Not only are we having a fish fry and making homemade, like frying fish and having homemade French fries, we are making homemade ice cream. Look at this, they have strawberry nut M&Ms. Interesting. I taste tested the brownies to make sure they were good. Andy helped a little over there. And I better taste test this ice cream to see if it's any good. Oh, I can't get any. Oh, there. Oh my gosh. That is so good. Are you having a good sucker? A ring pop? Henry was low, so we got out the parade candy. You like the ring pop? Yeah. Yummy. Andy's getting all set up. Here's the fryers. Fries are going in there. The fish is going to go in there. There they are. Not, whoop,
It'll turn
not
green.
quite.
It'll turn green and beep when it's ready.
Yeah, and I still feel low.
You still feel, it says 52 angle down, but you just had sugar, so you should be okay. Wait a little bit. Here's the first round of fries. They are beautiful. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen these because I had to post a picture of them. Look how good they are. Andy double fries them. They're so good. And he's got fish going right now. There's another. Yum, yum. Last but not least is brownies and homemade vanilla bean ice cream. These are some lucky boys. This is pretty special, a really awesome tradition. Go outside. Brownies and ice cream. Yummy. Why don't you sit by the boys?
Brownies to the whipped cream. More.
The boys are in the shower and it's time for us to call it a night. I am going to end the night by putting a star on our bucket list. We had a successful fish fry and brownie night. And next year it's going to say fish fry, brownies, and homemade ice cream. That is a tradition I want to continue. There's our bucket list for this summer. A lot of fun things on there. So fun. Thanks for watching, everybody.